JP, you know it's fuego.
What's up, guys? This is the boy Single Prince, and today uh I'll be looking at why I like girls with locks. Like I'm not separating. I like braids, I like natural hair, but I'm gonna signify um a preference for I prefer a girl with weird locks. So I just like the natural effect from it. I like I'm from the Caribbean, so I like that actual natural look where it shows the luster of the hair, and it shows the more it gives a sense of home, it gives a sense of caring, more nurturing type of energy. It also gives you a earthy vibe, so just interacting with the person just give you that sense of earthy feeling. It would be more effective like when you're in the park and just talking, looking into her eyes and talking to her and be like, damn, you know. You see, what's the best part when she like and flip her hair like, or she just shake it, you just see locks just sway from left to right like a ship in the water. But yeah, like that's the beautiful thing. I like girls. I like when a girl wear locks. It's nice. So yeah, that's my short video. I just felt like embracing, encouraging all these girls to keep wearing it. They look beautiful, and don't be ashamed of wearing your locks. No matter the color, it still looks cute. Okay. Ping, 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 like, share, subscribe. I'm gonna do more videos like this. I'll come out with vlogs, I'll come out with all sort of reaction videos. So stay tuned. It's your boy Snicker Prince. Like, share, subscribe. I'm out. Pew!